I don't want to be a healer, like, you know, I want to heal you. No, no. So you see, it works like just sound. Only sound can work for these three levels: body, mind, and soul, and spirit. So this is very quick, because when you use, you know, tablets or something like that, pills, just for your body, of course you can be better, but you know, it's like you stop to take tablets and you have the same. You have the same state of your sickness.
Some of your pills only cover up the symptoms, they don't really cure the problem.
Exactly, but we want to go deeply inside. Where is the problem? So what I noticed, cancer is a special illness, special disease, because it's always built in your mind. People don't know about it. So this is a confirmation that when people cut it off during the operation, the cancer can be again in next year. Why? Because problem was in his mind, in people's mind. People suffer inside, they cannot forgive, they don't feel contact with God, they don't have this contact, they don't believe. And sometimes, you know, I saw in my life a lot of people who really, really need God, but they don't want. It's like, you know, sometimes I'm saying, you know, I like to say that maybe soul wants to die, but soul never die. Right. But it's like soul wants to go next level.
While it's in this body, perhaps it doesn't want to be in that body.
Exactly. So body wants to die. And, you know, they don't want to understand, you know, that God can help them through these tools, even through these tools. So when they have opportunity to know me, because I don't have advertising, I don't want to give advertising for it, who has to be and who has to come will come. Yeah. It's like that. So one person says another person, you know, Barbra Angel is somebody like that, and she can help you. So people come, but with cancer, I have a lot of people. And I have very good results in it, at it. So it looks like that.
You have 3 books. You wrote 3 books.
Yes, I have written 3 books.
And they cover the sound and healing.
Exactly. The first my book is about my life and how God and sound can work together, and how important this is in life. So I put there my experiences in life. It's like I told you that I had not good life, I had not good teacher. My father, first teacher, he hit me a lot, and I just wanted to die, you know, when I was a little girl. I didn't have sense of life. So I wanted to commit suicide, and I wanted to jump from the window, 6th floor, because we were living in a very big block, very high building. And you know what happened? I heard a special sound, special sentence, like somebody told me, you didn't get your life that God gave you, your life, so just only He can take it. It's not allowed to do it for you. I was crying because it was after he hit me a lot. I was so surprised of this sentence. It was like somebody talked to me, but it was nobody there. But I was by myself. So, but since this time, I knew that I have my father. Really father, true father. It's Father in heaven. And I have always been with this father and, you know, sacrifice for him and to be with him and give people what I have to give. And I am providing, you know, God provides me since this time. And I am here right now, you see, because He wants me to be here. It's like that. So I could meet you and Supreme Master Ching Hai, and you know, through your television, and I'm so happy because spiritual people could meet.
And Barbra, we would like to hear some more of your stories about your life and Supreme Master Ching Hai.
My life was not easy, and my first book, I told you, it was about my life and spiritual life connected with sound. Mm-hmm. So I'm telling about sound in how important it is in our life. So this is a book about it, and I hope in 2 months it will be ready for English.
Oh, yes.
English version. So it will be a pleasure to give you this copy of this book, but because this book is it includes my CD with music also. So yeah, so we have book and CD together.
Is it going to include the song that you wrote that you're up in the competition with?
No, it was no. This book I have written four years ago. So it was first, yeah, and different music. But it's healing music. It's about emotional things in people's lives. So I put special sounds there to take off emotions, and people are crying when they listen to this music. The first song has a special title, Love Yourself, because God is inside. So, but it's just for piano solo and orchestra. So I play the piano, no singing in this, song, but people love it. Sometimes people call me and say that this book changed their life. So I know that it works. Now I have second edition because the first sold, everything sold. So now I have next edition of first book, and of course a second book and next one. Next one has 2 months. Yeah, so it's about tuning forks, about my method. And second book is generally about sound, what is that, and why I'm doing this, and how it works. But third book is techniques. It's about techniques for my students everywhere, and they need this book because they had a lot of questions. Even they completed my seminars, but they have a lot of questions when they heal people. So they mail me, they send me emails and call me. So sometimes I'm not able to answer. So I had to write a book about techniques to help them. So I have written 3 books. You know, I've never known that I can be a writer. but it was
planned out, but it happened.
Yeah, but it was like, you know, I really didn't know, but I had to. Yeah. I had to write. It was like, first my book I wrote, I had a not good situation in life, and my partner from my company lost me. And took my money even, so I had not good time and financial problems. But you know, everything was not important. I had to write book. I knew about it. It's like message. So I told you, since this time when I was a little girl, something happened, something changed in my life, and I feel what I should do. It's like, now, do this, do this, do this. So it's like orders of God. I feel it, I have to do something. So what I want to say, why I am here. Because one day, it was about 2 months ago maybe, one woman called me that she wants to see me, and she was a student of our master, Supreme Television. And she showed me your television, because I didn't know about this television so far for this moment. And she came to me. She said that she finished have finished special meditation some days in Bangkok. And she came and she said that she received a message during this meditation that somebody is in Poland, and this person could help in life people, and this person could help her her daughter's child with cancer. It's a very small child, 2 years old, with brain cancer. So Ella, I want to say hello. You can see me, and I want to help you. You know about it, and thank you that I'm here. I'm moved also. I'm sorry. So I'm very glad that I could meet people like you are, and I think that it's our way to meet each other, especially as Supreme Master, because she, Ella, because her name is Ella, and she told me about Supreme Master Ching Hai. So I noticed that she's so close to me. So close. Everything what she's talking about, everything what she's doing, even singing, even painting, everything is like, she's so close, like my sister, like the half of my heart. And when I saw her, it was like, oh my God, she's like me, but of course she's a master. I'm just in Poland, you know, it's who I am. But,
Polish girl.
But you see, it was just 1 month and I'm here. You see what God's will was?
Yes.
It was God's will. So it took about 1 month and I came here because for vibration, it's nothing.
Yes.
It's like, you know, so, you know, I noticed that she's really, she paints so well, so nice, energy. I can feel this energy. So I put, I don't know, 1 year ago, I put on my walls special mandala, you know, a special picture, and this is my passion. I'm not artist for art, you know, for painting, but it's my feeling. I just wanted to paint, and it's. I told you, it's like the same way. And she's singing, I'm singing, you know. So my wish is, my dream is to meet her and to maybe one day perform with her on the same stage. Oh my God, it would be so nice. And we can share the same message for the world, love. Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. We hope you've enjoyed this session here with us. We're here with Barbra Angel on Supreme Master Television. It's been a wonderful experience. Thank you very much.
I want to make people do it by themselves at home, to have tuning forks at home, and they can help themselves in about 200 different illnesses. So you see, it works like just sound. Only sound can work for these 3 levels, body, mind, and spirit. So this is very quick.